Greetings, fam. What's going on? It's Cornez with Too Smart to Be Broke. I want to thank you for coming to the channel today. Look, today I'm going to be straightforward and simple to you. I'm going to be telling you how to get Bitcoins, how to buy Bitcoins. Really, I refer to it as how to exchange Bitcoins. It's like from dollars to pesos, dollars to Canadian dollars, dollar to euros, or whatever it is, okay, to yen, okay? But simple terms, you can use Cash App to actually get Bitcoin. Okay, so let's just start there. I'm keeping it very simple, and as I begin to progress with this channel, I'll begin to show you other ways. My particular favorite way at this time is crypto.com, but I know everybody is very familiar with Cash App, so let's just start there. Okay, so I'm gonna go into my actual Cash App here, and keep in mind, I've already signed up, but you know, when you're signing up for things like crypto, they may ask to for a screenshot or a picture of the back and the front of your ID and very basic information. I should not have to go over that with you all, but if you need me to, I'll put a video on it. But very simple, very straight to the point. However, I want you to take notice of this squiggly line at the bottom that shows, you know, one is for stocks, so you can actually buy stocks on Cash App. But today we're actually going to be focusing on Bitcoin. Okay, so what I would do is I would just go over here, I will click on these stocks, and I'm going to click on buy. But keep in mind, I've already set up my Bitcoin account, so if you don't see that, just go through the necessary steps of taking the picture and entering your information just to make sure they can verify that it's you. All right, so boom, we're going to go through buy. It's going to be a one-time purchase. Okay, so all I'm going to do is let's say I purchase about $50, but keep in mind, I already have money in my Cash App, so what I'm going to do is just go click next. Okay, confirm your purchase of Bitcoin. So that's just simple. And then you can see right here that they're actually going to have a fee of $1.13. So remember, I think I was telling you before in one of my videos that every time that you're buying Bitcoin or buying any type of crypto at any type of place, they're normally having a fee associated with it because they have to, you know, that to get paid too. So whenever you're transferring wallets or you're doing things like, be mindful of the fee. You might need to put a little bit extra in there just so they can actually get there. So I'm going to just confirm it. You purchased 0.005 Bitcoin. Done. Okay, so now you can see that right now I have 49.34 of Bitcoin. Okay, right, just right here, just right on my Cash App. It's really that simple. Okay, so now you say I got buy, I got sell, and I got this arrow. So what's this arrow right here? I could send Bitcoin. So that means if I have another wallet, like I said, I like crypto.com. So if I have another wallet, what I would do is just click send right here. Okay, and it's going to ask me the amount of Bitcoin that I want to send, and I can say 0.005. Let me see, that's too many zeros. So we're going to say 0.005. Boom. We're going to say withdraw. And it's going to say scan QR code, but I don't have the QR code. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click enter manually, and I'm going to come over to my my crypto.com wallet here, and then what I'm going to do is actually click on this middle button. I'm going to click on my wallets. I'm going to click on Bitcoin. I'm going to click on transfer. It's going to say deposit. All right, so now I have my actual QR code, but what I'm going to do is just copy that link right there, and I'm going to come back over to my Cash App. I'm going to paste it in, and then I'm going to click next. It's going to ask me to confirm the address. I'm going to paste it and click next again, and it's going to say please confirm your withdrawal of this Bitcoin to this wallet. I'm going to click next to confirm it. You initiated a withdrawal of 0.005 Bitcoin. I'm going to say done. Okay, and now you can see, boom, there's only $4.19 worth of Bitcoin left there. And then what I'm going to do is actually come back over to my crypto.com. And sometimes it takes a couple minutes. So what I want to do is I'm going to wait a couple minutes here and see when it actually goes through, and then we'll actually get that confirmation. It's currently 3:18 Sunday, July 5th, or 3:19 Sunday, July 5th, and let's see how long this goes. So I'm in my crypto.com wallet. I want to show you something here. So what I realized is the transfer from Cash App to actually crypto. It can take, you know, transferring to wallets can take from anywhere from 10 minutes, a couple minutes to a day. This one actually did take about 24 hours for it to actually complete the transfer. But if you look at the second line, it says Bitcoin deposit 0.005, which is when I transferred from Cash App. And then right here at the top, I actually traded it to Ethereum. So we're going to go back, and this is now 0.33 in Ethereum. Okay. So if you go here, you can see that I have about $78 of Ethereum. So just wanted to finish out that video and let you know that it did complete the transfer. It just took a little bit of time to confirm.
I'm too smart to be broke. I'm too smart to be broke. I'm too smart to be broke. Where's the money?